In today's video, I want to share a few resources and tools that you can use to help create stunning how-to content for your tutorials. So I want to share a few research search engines and some research organization tools that I like that you may not be familiar with. So this really is the next step when you're creating tutorials, is to do some research. You may have your topic or your keywords, but unless you're already an expert, you might have to do a little bit more research. And that's where some of these tools come in. So research search engines, there's a lot of different research search engines out there. There's some that are designed more specifically for science. There's some that are just academic. So for example, scholar.google.com. One of my favorite tools is actually wolframalpha.com. And it's really focused on giving you different types of information that you can then incorporate into tutorials. So they have step-by-step instructions on numerous topics. And it allows you to do things like calculate dimensions, find out what materials you need to use, and so forth. So let me just give you a quick looker. So this is their site, and you can see here it has things like math, step-by-step solutions, units and measures, and so forth. So let's say, for example, you were talking something about personal finance. You can get some information here, cost of living, and take a look at it here and use some of that research as a basis for creating your own tutorials. So I find Wolfram Alpha extremely helpful. They do, of course, have some paid options, but I think that the free, that's enough with the research that you can use to get started. Another thing I really like are research organization tools. This actually helps you organize your material better online as opposed to just having a list of bookmarks or something like that. So there are some tools out there. Mendeley and Zotero are both popular, so I want to give you a closer look at both of these as well. So Mendeley actually allows you to do article searches. So it's like what I mentioned earlier, it's really a research search engine, but then it also allows you to add things or import, reference, and so forth. So it's really designed to help you access the information you need. I also really like Zotero. This is actually a downloadable software. And what it does is it's free and allows you to collect, organize, and cite research. And I find it very helpful. I also use this because it allows you just to put in a lot of information and be able to access it quickly and easily and just get it in there fast. So I think it's just better because it's designed more for research than just some sort of like bookmark list or general folder or something along those lines. So these are just a few of the tools I cover in my instructor training, where I share how you can create instructional and tutorial type of content. So you can learn more below, but if you are looking to tap into this type of content that is highly in demand and get started quickly and easily, you'll want to check it out.